We've just acquired this Jaguar XF diesel. It's in a facelift model. It's got the LED running lights. It's in absolutely superb condition. The wheels are unmarked. It's in superb blue metallic. It's got a lot of extras this car has that I'll go through in a minute. See the rear park distance control sensors there and rear camera. Full leather seats. Heater dials go up and down. It's got factory satellite navigation, reverse camera with the park distance control, Bluetooth connectivity, climate control, heated seats, USB and AUX in there. It's full Jaguar service history, plus we've just serviced it. The interior is absolutely unmarked. It is in fantastic condition for its age and mileage. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.